G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Leighton and I'm a professional surf skater, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be taking you through a full body workout that you can do at home. Now, working out is a very key, essential aspect of my life. I work out pretty much every day. You know, it helps me with my surfing, helps me with my surf skating, and you know, it's good for your physical health as well as your mental health because you're feeling bloody awesome after you do it. So if you don't work out already, get into it. It's definitely going to help you with your surfing and surf skating, and it's going to help you prevent injury when you're surfing or surf skating. So like I said, this workout you can do at home, no equipment required, but we can incorporate some weights if you're feeling up to it. So let's get into the workout. Yew! So let's get into it. So first off, we're going to start off with the ankles. So just going to, roll the ankles anti-clockwise 10 times. And we're going to go clockwise 10 times. Just loosen up those ankles. Do the same to the other side. Just like that. Fuck, can't even do it. There we go. Just like that. We use our ankles a lot when we're surfing and surf skating. So, you don't want them stiff. You want them nice and loose. And then we're going to come down here. Do the same with our knees, so just roll our knees anti-clockwise 10 times. And then once you've done 10 on one side, go and do 10 on the other side. I'm not too sure if that's 10 on each side. I can't really count when I'm talking, too much happening. Anyways, come up into our hips, just same thing again, anti-clockwise with our hips, just loosening up the hips. It's all in the hips, it's all in the hips. Happy camel, Don't judge my swing, I'm not very good at it. Anyways, after that, I'm going to come up here and just, throw our arms like this, side to side, get that nice and stretched, limber up, we're constantly rotating from side to side when we're surfing and surf skating, so this is good just to, loosen up those arms, loosen up the upper body. Once you've done that, come up here and just, do the same thing. Swing your arms back and forth like that. Warm up those shoulders. Come in here and start doing some circles. Start small and go big circles, opposite direction. Start small, big circles like that. And do the opposite direction, one arm one way, one arm the other way. Just loosening up those shoulders, loosening up that upper body. Then come up here with the neck. Just rotate that around. Rotate that around, just getting nice and loose. Limbered up, you know what I mean? Then we're gonna come here and just do some leg swings. Fuck, better go this way, and hit the wall. Do some leg swings. Oh shit. Make sure you have a wall so you can keep balance if you're going to fall over like me. So just do some leg swings, loosen up those legs, getting nice and limber, just like that. Like that. 10 on each side. I know that probably wasn't 10. Like I said, I can't keep count. Then I'm just going to go side to side like this. Really open up that groin. Side to side with the leg. Same with the other one. Side to side, baby. Side to side. You know how it is? Yeah. Anyways, oh shit. Make sure you have a wall or something to lean on when you're doing this because it's kind of hard to keep balance. So once that's all limbered up, jump it out, shake it out, baby. Now we're ready for the workout. Alright, so with the workout, we're going to do 3 rounds. We're going to aim for 8 to 12 reps each. So if you're, not really feeling that fit, go for 8. If you're feeling really fit, you want to push yourself, go for 12 reps. I'm just going to do 10, so anywhere between 8 and 12 reps. Aim for that. We're going to do 3 rounds, have about a minute to 90 seconds rest after all the exercises. So let's get into it. The first one is we're going to do a squat switch. So come down here and jump up and switch. Same with the other side. So we're going to do 10 on each side like this. It's going to help us with our compression and extension when we're surfing and surf skating. So let's go. Oh, what am I doing? All right, let's go. 1. Make sure you're breathing in and out through these exercises and get that heart rate up. Make sure you're breathing. All right, so next exercise, we're going to do a burpee. So you can incorporate a push up in there if you're feeling up for it. If not, just do a regular burpee. So we're going to do 10 of these. It's going to help us with popping up on that board and get the heart rate going. So let's go. 10. Should be feeling the heart rate going now. It's good. Next exercise, we're going to do a prisoner squat. So arms behind your head like this. Come down and squat and pulse 10 out. 1, 2, 10. There we go. Really want to fire up those quads, get those quads pumping. When you surf a point break, your quads start burning when you get to the end of the point. So, good exercise to engage the quads, burn those legs, get them all diced, shredded, and ready to surf skate and surf for hours on end. Next exercise we're going to do a ball slam. I'm just using a 3 kg one. If you have a soccer ball, basketball, anything like that, it's going to be absolutely fine. So what we're going to do here, we're going to start here, come off, hit on the ground, catch it, and the same on the other side. So do 10 each side. Ready? Let's go. It's a great exercise, just to help get that twist, get nice and flexible. We're twisting a lot when we're surfing and surf skating, so great exercise to, liver up those muscles, engage those muscles, and, help when rotating. Next exercise, we're going to do a lunge like this. Now, you can do a weighted lunge if you want, grab some weights, do some lunges. If not, just use your body weight. So 10 on each side. Don't know how many I've done already. That's probably about 5 on each side. Next exercise, we're going to come down here and do some kick throughs. It's going to help engage that core. Core is very important when we're surfing and surf skating. You want to have a strong core, especially when you're winding up and doing those big layback turns, or there's pretty much anything. Your core is very essential. So Let's get into the kick throughs. 10 on each side. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you remember to do that. Alright, next exercise. Next exercise, we're going to do alternating push-ups. So get your ball, put it on there. We're going to go one arm on here like this, and the other one like that. Let's push up. 1, 10 on each side. But if you don't have a ball, you can just do normal push-ups. So finish up with 10 push-ups. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oi, Hibachi. That's my dog. Alright. After that, next exercise, we're gonna go do some Russian twists. Now, you can do this with a weight, or you can do it with no weight. So it's going to come up here and do 10 on each side. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, really good. When you're doing that, make sure your core is nice and tight. Engage that core. Twist as far back as you can to get that full range of motion. After that, I'm going to come back down here, do another core exercise. We're going to do some hanging leg raises. So we're going to alternate, do 6 of these. So we're going to go left leg, right leg, 2 at the same time. So single, single, double. So come up like this, up like this, legs up in the air, arms up. One leg down, other leg down. Both legs down, back up, that's 1. That's 2. It's a great sort of stretch as well. You know, my legs are a bit tight. I've done my lower body, so I can't really stick my legs straight up in the air. But great little core exercise. You want to challenge yourself, get some light dumbbell weights and hold them up at the same time. So. Next 7. So final exercise, we're going to finish it off with a squatted kettlebell punch. Now, if you don't have a kettlebell or weight, you can just use your ball or no weight at all. So what we're gonna do, grab our kettlebell here, squat like this, go out like that, come back in, punch it out forward, come back in, punch it out right, come back in. And that's 1 set. So we're gonna do 6 of those. So 1, 2, 3. That's that one. Really fire up those quads, engage those shoulders, fire up those shoulders, and you know, that's 1 round. Have a rest for about 60 to 90 seconds, and then straight back into it. Do the same thing again 2 more times. Should really feel that burn. It's a full body workout that, you know, engages those key core muscles that we use when we're surfing and surf skating. Do this every day, mix it up. Try it for yourself, you know, it's going to be great, beneficial for your surfing and surf skating. You're going to go to shred like a pro, so whew, have a rest and get back into it. Alright, so that wraps up today's video. This is little Avachi boy, the newest addition to the family. Little Chow Chow. He was the one that was growling in the video. You know, he didn't know who I was when I was doing those push-up burpees. Isn't he just adorable? Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Anyway, that wraps up today's video. It's a great full body workout, you know, really engages those key essential muscles that we use when we're surfing and surf skating. Go try it out if you're feeling up for it. All you need is, you know, a little space like this, about 30 minutes out of your day, and get to it. Trust me, start working out if you don't already. You know, it's great for the mind, great for the body. You're feeling absolutely fucking beast. Yeah, you feel absolutely phenomenal after doing a workout. You know, you might be a bit hard doing it, but you know, you've got to persevere, push through, get it done, because let me tell you, you feel absolutely phenomenal afterwards. You know, it's great. Get that endurance up, get that strength up, and you know, you're gonna be skating like a professional surfer in no time. It's honestly so good for you surfing and surf skating. So go try it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. If you want me to give you some feedback on your surf skate technique, let me know. Follow me on Insta and tag me your videos. In the meantime, guys, happy surf skating. Go out and shred, because I know you will. And I shall see you guys in the next video.